Okay, so good afternoon to all the students. Now, in the today session, we going to see some virtual lab experiment based on the thermal engineering. Okay, so here is a laboratory, virtual laboratory, which is under the IIT Kharagpur, and this is the remote triggered virtual lab on automotive system. Here we can see some thermal engineering experiment like a PV diagram. What is the PV means? Pressure and volume. Pressure volume diagram of an SI means spark ignition. Okay, engine. So first is PV diagram of a SI engine means in this practical we can observe that how we can draw pressure and volume diagram for a particular SI engine testing. Okay, so we first start from here, and one more practical we have to complete today. So first start from here. Okay, now this is the about the this is the introduction about the practical. So in the diagram you can see in the diagram you can see this is the PV diagram for the SI engine, and how we going to PV diagram for the octo cycle. So here 1 to 2 intake, 2 to 3 compression, 3 to 4 combustion, 4 to 5 expansion, and 5 to 6 blow down, and 6 to 1 is exhaust. So here what happened if we talk about the SI engine or CI engine, both the engine under the IC engine, internal combustion engine means, and SI engine is spark ignition and CI engine means compression ignition. Okay, so here we talk about the SI engine, spark ignition engine. Okay, so this is the basic introduction on the PV diagram. What happened? 1 to 2 intake suction stroke is there, 2 to 3 isentropic compression stroke is there, or we can say that simply compression stroke is there, 3 to 4 heat addition stroke, 4 to 5 exhaust stroke, isentropic expansion is there, 5 to 2 heat rejection, 5 to 2. See here 5 to 2, 5 to 6 and 5 to 2 is the same process. Okay, 5 to 2, 5 to 6, and 5 to 2 same process is there, which is the heat rejection. The distance between 1 and 2 is the stroke of the engine. Okay, so this is diagram and this is the basic theory or basic introduction. Now we come to the theory. What is the theory behind that? A pressure volume diagram, PV diagram, is used to describe the corresponding change in the volume and the pressure in a system. Okay, uh, means pressure and volume diagram show the changes in with respect to time. What happened? what the effect on volume with respect to pressure, or what is the effect of pressure with respect to volume, we can see or observe by this diagram. Okay, the theoretical PV diagram of a four stroke SI engine, as this is about the theoretical, and actual diagram is something different from the theoretical diagram. Okay, so first process is suction stroke 1 to 2, which is explained in the diagram, and this is the equipment where we going to test conduct this test. Okay, suction stroke, the charge air fuel mixture is admitted in the cylinder in reaching the volume 1 to 2 at the atmospheric pressure. Cylinder volume equal to clearance volume plus stroke volume. ओके, ठीक है। तो जो आपका सभी लोग अभी जितनी भी बाइक्स है या कार है, सभी फोर स्ट्रोक इंजन यूज होता है। देयर इज अ फोर स्ट्रोक इंजन फॉर द फोर व्हीलर और टू व्हीलर, वट एवर द bike or car we can use. Always four, maximum four stroke engine is used there, or as far as four stroke engine is used, means IC engine, internal combustion engine is used. Okay, it may be SI engine or maybe CI engine. Okay, so maximum all type of two-wheeler bike is used four stroke engine, SI engine. SI engine, we also, in other hand, we call this the petrol engine, the engine which is run by the petrol. Okay, and CI engine means combustion, compression, ignition engine, means, and other hand, we can call it the diesel engine, the engine which is run by the diesel. Okay, the second process, 2 to 3 compression stroke, the charge is compressed from 2 to 3 adiabatically, volume decrease and volume rise. Okay, 3 to 4, the compressed charge is ignited at the constant volume and pressure is increased. Okay, and now what happened? The air fuel mixture is compressed, then there is needed a ignition. Okay, so ignition, how will we ignite? By the spark, because this is the SI engine, spark ignition engine. Okay, now 4 to 5 is the power stroke where we get the power. Okay, means process 1, process 2, process 3, it is the energy consuming process, means energy consumed by this process, and the process 4 to 5 is the power stroke where we get the power from the engine. Okay, so adiabatic expansion is the volume increase and the pressure decrease and give power to the crankshaft. Due to this power stroke, crankshaft is rotated and your vehicle is in the running position. 5 to 2, exhaust volume open and exhaust take place at the constant volume, pressure decrease suddenly. Okay, and 2 to 1, finally piston push the exhaust gas as the atmospheric pressure, the volume again decrease to clearance volume. Okay, this is about the theoretical. This is about the theoretical PV diagram. Now, if we come to the actual PV diagram, then what happened? In the actual PV diagram, the suction take place at the pressure slightly lower than the atmospheric pressure. Okay, ठीक है. आपका थ्योरेटिकल में क्या था कि जो सक्शन हो रहा था वो पर्टिकुलर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर पे हो रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में क्या होता है कि जो आपका सक्शन स्ट्रोक है, देयर इज अ सक्शन स्ट्रोक विच इज द बिलो फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. ओके, the as process 1 2, the exhaust take place at the pressure slightly lighter than the atmospheric pressure due to the resistance of exhaust volume to the exhaust gases. The small loop 1 to 1 indicate the pumping loss of the engine. Okay, so here where is the diagram? See, all the information we talk about from this. Okay, sorry students, sorry for the disturbance. Now what happened here, we can observe that all the process which is explained here, that is the based on the diagram. Okay, in actual practice what happen, I will tell you कि जो theoretical है उसमें ये assume करते हैं कि हमारा जो process है वो क्या है, एटमॉस्फेरिक जो प्रेशर रहता है 1 बार, उस पे हमारा जो एयर फ्यूल मिक्सचर है वो शक होता है इंजन के अंदर। ओके, लेकिन एक्चुअल में ये स्लाइटली कम हो जाता है ड्यू टू द पंपिंग लॉस। Here, this is the pumping loss. Now, compression ratio R, it is defined as the ratio of maximum to minimum volume of cylinder. R equal to V max divided by V minimum. Okay. The volume is maximum when the crank angle is 180. अभी यहाँ पे दिया गया है कि crank angle अगर 180 है तो हमको maximum वॉल्यूम गेन होगा at the bottom dead center, and it is minimum when okay, so at the BDC means bottom dead center, we get the maximum value, and at the top dead center we get minimum value, and the ratio between the maximum value to minimum value called the compression ratio. So the displacement value Vd is the difference between the maximum and minimum value for a single cylinder. Vd equal to V max minus V minimum. What is the D here? D is represent the volume difference. Vd. V is Vd is the volume difference, and it is the S is the stroke and B is the bore. Pi into B to power 2.5. So this is the engine performance analyzer machine. Here we can analyze the engine performance. Now see here what are the objective here, to measure and plot the pressure versus volume diagram as a function of crank position for 4 stroke single cylinder SI engine. Okay, now here is the procedure. See, okay, for the conduction of this, we need to clean your software. Okay, experimental setup, logging to proceed. For the procedure, we need clean your software. So just wait. I So I just change here. So I will show you how you log in to TeamViewer. Okay. So this is the TeamViewer console, and we have to log in here. So before login, we need to sign up here. So you can sign up like this. Enter your email address, and now here your name. Okay. Now some password. You choose your password. Okay. And click here for the, and so you are not a robot now. Sign up. So see here. Okay. So this is about, we can log in here. Okay, so here what happened, there is unable to log in because this ID and password provided by IIT Kharagpur. So we can skip this and we go to the simulator here, and here we can see the different volume angle or crack angle in the different pressure. Okay, so in the case, this is the pressure versus crank angle, this is volume versus crank angle. Okay, so pressure in bar. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like pressure in bar, and crank angle in the degree. Okay, here volume in cc means centimeter cube. Okay, volume in centimeter cube and crank angle in the degree. Okay, now here this is our actual PV diagram, pressure and volume diagram, centimeter cube, and here in bar. See here, and this is the load, 2.3 Newton meter at the 3259.07 RPM, and here load to 5.2, and this is the speed. Now this is load number 3, and for the different load condition and the speed condition we get different pressure volume diagram. Okay, so here we can see we get the different PV diagram, pressure volume diagram, for a different loading condition. See, and here is the combined load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4, load 5. We can combine all 5 diagram. Okay, and see here different color provided for different load. Conclusion, from the pressure versus crank angle diagram we can see that the pressure is maximum near about the crank angle is 0, slightly greater than 0. Okay, from the last graph we can see that the peak pressure increase at the RPM increase. Moreover, the area within PV diagram increase with the increase in the load. Okay, so ये आपका जो लास्ट डायग्राम है, ठीक है, ये रेड वन, ठीक है, तो ये एरिया आपका इंक्रीज हो रहा है, क्यों इंक्रीज हो रहा है एरिया? लोड के मीन्स लोड जितना ज़्यादा रहेगा तो आपका एरिया पीवी डायग्राम का एरिया उतना ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगा. ओके, नाउ क्विज सिस्टम हियर. There is any quiz? Okay, quiz is not there. So this is about the PV diagram. Okay, so next, so we come here again and talk about the next practical which is given here, torque and crank angle curve of SI engine. So there is a picture video. First we can see
Today,
it.
the internal combustion engine is used in motorcycles, automobiles, boats, trucks, aircraft, ships, heavy-duty machinery and power generators. A four-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes: intake, compression, power, and exhaust during two separate revolutions of the engine's crankshaft, and one single thermodynamic cycle. Let's take a look at the basic internal parts of a four-stroke engine. Inside the engine block, there is a crankshaft. Piston rods are attached to crankshaft. Pistons are attached to the piston's rods. As the crankshaft turns, it causes the lifter to make each piston move up and down. At the top of the crankshaft there is a camshaft which is connected to the crankshaft by a timing belt. While the crankshaft is making the pistons move up and down, the camshaft is turning, making the valves to open and close. Let's now take a look at how the combustion creates pistons motion. First, intake stroke. The inlet valve is opened, and the fuel-air mixture is drawn in, as the piston travels down. Second, compression stroke. The inlet valve is closed, and the piston travels back up the cylinder, compressing the fuel-air mixture. Just before piston reaches the top of its compression stroke, a spark plug emits a spark, to combust the fuel-air mixture. Third, combustion stroke. The piston is now forced down by the pressure wave of the combustion, of the fuel-air mixture. The engine's power is derived, from this cycle. Fourth, exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve is opened, and the piston travels back up, expelling the exhaust gases through the exhaust valve. At the top of the stroke the exhaust valve is closed. This process is repeated. What had been presented is the cycle of operation of one cylinder of a four-stroke engine. Generally engines have two or more cylinders acting in concert with each other to produce the engine power.
So student, you can observe that how the four-stroke engine operate. What is the suction procedure? What is the compression? What is the expansion? What is the exhaust operation? So all you can go through to the video. Okay, so here the complete circle take two revolution, divide into four equal stroke. It's known as a four-stroke cycle SI engine. There is one working stroke, or we can say the power stroke, means suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust. Four stroke is there: suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. So uh, suction, compression and exhaust, these are the need power, means they consume power to operate. But the third number, expansion stroke, is the power stroke which is provide the power to the engine for the motion. Okay, so see here, this is the torque and this is the crank angle. First suction, compression, and this is the power stroke. See, red is the power stroke. So what is the meaning? The power stroke is more, have more peak, means this is the positive. Here we get the energy and here we lost the energy. So these are the in negative direction, these are the negative direction, and this is red one is the power stroke which is in the positive direction. Okay, so all whatever I told you, just these things is texting in the form of text here. Torque equal to work done by the engine oblique crank angle. Work done by the cycle equal to integration of P dot dV. Okay, integration you can, maybe you study in the first year mathematics classes. Okay, so here now the total work done angle X torque, show this case W equal to T mean into 4 pi. Okay, note that the angle is not always 4 pi, but whatever the angle correspond to the cycle, for example, it would be 2 pi for a two stroke engine. Now, see, here is the simulation how piston is work. So this is our piston, this is our crank, this is our crankshaft, this is the connecting rod here. So what is the work of connecting rod? Connecting rod is connect the piston to the crank shaft, and crankshaft rotate the crank. Okay, and the motion of the crank transmitted to the wheel for the vehicle running. Okay, and this is the same apparatus which is where we analyze the engine for the volume, pressure and volume diagram. Here what is the objective? Okay, to measure and plot the torque crank angle curve diagram as a function of crank position for a four-stroke engine. Okay, torque crank angle. What is the procedure? Procedure is this same for that. See here, this is the procedure. You can see. Shoes are must in. This is the precautions for the laboratory. Okay, so no need to here, we just go to the simulator and you can see the diagram, torque, newton meter and crank angle, the diagram between torque and crank angle. Okay, the load is here 1, 2.3, torque load is given, then load 2, 1, load to 5.2 newton, load 3 7.4, 9.3 Newton meter, 11.1 Newton meter. So the conclusion from the observation is that the area under the torque versus crank angle curve give the work done in the cycle. There is always a peak near about the crank angle of 400 degree. Okay, so see, the observation is this is the 400 degree. In near about the 400 degree we get a peak. Peak is the maximum point in y direction. See, this peak is always near to the 400 degree. Yeah. So this is the procedure. Okay, no question is there. So students, do you have any question regarding these two experiments?